Good day, Sir Marvin Caraig. I'm Jobel E. Floresta from BTBT Ed 2J FSMA. So, ito po yung nakuha ko pong topic. Under po siya ng Electronic Products Assembly and Servicing NC2. And sector po is electronic sector. Then, ang ano ko po, yung unit of competency ko po is Service Consumer Electronics Products and System. Ito po siya. Then, yung ano po, yung LO1 ko po, yung learning outcomes ko po, is nakuha ko po siya dito po sa may element. Prepare unit, tools, and workplace for installation and service. Then, next po is yung performance criteria ko po, siya po yung pinaka-learning content ko po. Dito ko po nakuha yung learning content po sa performance criteria. And 1.1, complete check-up consumer electronics products and system. Po siya. Ang ginamit ko pong method dito is modular. Then next po tayo, proceed po tayo sa presentation with information sheet 2.1-1. Since core competency po siya 2.3, ang ginawa ko po sa kanya 2.1-1. Since ano po, yung learning content ko po is 1.1, complete checkup, ayun po. Then next po tayo is practice. Answer self-check 2.1-1. Then the feedback is evaluate the answer key 2.1-1. Ang ginamit ko pong resources dito is CBLM or projector po. Yung time naman po, yung pinaka-time ko po is meron po sa core competency na 140 hours. Then dinivide ko lang po siya sa kung ilan pong meron po ako sa learning content. Since po hinati-hati ko po siya sa LO1 po, meron po ako learning content na 6 po. Then yung bali 6 na po yun, then dinivide ko lang po siya sa time sa 140 po. And next po tayo sa next learning content is manual and service information. Presentation po yung methods ko. Then the presentation po, viewing PPT installed consumer electronic products and system 2.1-2. Next po is answering self-check operating instruction user owner's manual 2.1-2. Ito po yung practice. Then the feedback po, evaluate the answer to answer key 2.1-2. Then yung resources ko po is manuals and service information, standard procedures and guidelines po. Yung time ko naman po is 1 hour. Then, sa next ko po na learning content po is repair maintenance history is verified in line with the company procedures. Ang ginamit ko po dito is demonstration. Since demonstration po, ang presentation ko po dito is gumamit pa rin po ako ng PPT while demonstrating. Diagnose skills to identify faults and defects. Then practice. Verify repair maintenance history 2.1-3. Then provide feedback on the accuracy and thoroughness of repair maintenance history verification 2.1-3. Ang resources ko po dito is utilize company procedure and documentation. Then access the relevant tools and equipment for diagnosis. Gumamit po tayo ng demonstration po dito. Kailangan po natin ng tools and equipment for diagnosis. And ang hours ko po dito is 50 minutes. Then, next po tayo sa learning content. Workplace is set prepared for installation job in line with the client requirements. Gumamit naman po ako dito modular or individualized learning. Then, lecture demonstration. Sa modular, gumamit ko sa may presentation po with information sheet 2.1-4. Then, answer self-check 2.1-4. Hands-on practice in preparing the workplace for installation. And individualized task to reinforce understanding. And collaborative activities to promote practical application. Then next po tayo sa feedback. Evaluate the answer key to answer key 2.1-4. Then, ang resources ko po dito is provide access to relevant manuals, tools, and equipment. Since modular lecture and demonstration po, need po rin po natin ng manuals and tools and equipments po since gagamit po tayo ng demonstration, and mag-include po tayo ng digital resources and case study since kailangan mag-lecture po tayo. Ang pinaka-time ko po dito is 50 minutes. Ganun lang din po, same po, inano ko po kasi kaya ko po nakuha yung 50 minutes na yun. Then, next po tayo sa necessary tool, test, instrument, and last po siya na, last learning content po na po to sa LO1. Necessary tools, test, instruments, and personal protective equipment. Then, gumamit po ako dito ng presentation. Viewing PPT on 2.1-5, instructor lead, overview of requirements, tool, and equipments. And answer self-check 2.1-5. Then, feedback po is evaluate answer 2.1-5 regular check-ins during practical exercises for individual and group feedback. Ang gumamit po ko dito sa resources ko po ng visual aids and demonstration. Since presentation po siya, hindi ko lang po nalagay dito. Meron din po ako ng demonstration. Then, to illustrate proper tools usage and safety procedures. Then, yung time ko po dito is 50 minutes din po. Proceed po tayo sa learning outcome to install consumer electronic product system. Ganun, same procedure lang po yung ginawa ko sa LO1. Sa LO2, ganun din po yung ginawa ko. Ganun din po sa learning outcome 3 po, ganun din po. So, di ko na po masyadong papabain po. Then, proceed po tayo dito sa assessment plan. Ang ginamit ko po ditong assessment plan is written test, performance test, and demonstration. Yun lang po. Thank you.